Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Omnia protocol token. Ticker symbol is Omnia. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting October 15th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token was just announced on Twitter that Omnia Protocol, an RPC provider that prioritizes DePIN and aggregation, is coming to Mexc Global. So this token will be listed on Mexc October 15th at 11 a.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section when this token gets listed and search Omnia, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here is being listed on Mexc. If you want to find the web page, you can find it at omniatech.io. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. You can see it's a very big project, over 2,200 tweets, gold verified checkmark at Omnia_protocol. 241,800 Twitter followers, and has a link to their webpage right there. Once you go to the webpage, you can find a full white paper. So Omnia Protocol is a decentralized infrastructure protocol for securely accessing the blockchain so that no single point of failure will ever disrupt blockchain applications or wallets integrating with it. At the same time, it allows anyone to earn rewards by hosting and maintaining a node on a specific blockchain. Prioritizing DePIN and aggregation, our goal is to offer a unified interface for blockchain access, combining decentralization with advanced functionality. Through the use of MEV strategies, we enable users and B2C platforms in Web3, including wallets, dApps, and DEXs, to benefit from the infrastructure monetization. With all the decentralization that we witnessed today, we can definitely say that there are major advantages in different directions: cryptocurrency, trust, distributed applications, and even finance. The main issue is the fact that the interaction itself with the blockchain is centralized through corporations that act as node providers. This raises the question of hidden flaws and risks, because in the end, the chain is as powerful as its weakest link. For example, what if the centralized provider goes rogue and serves your data that is not actually agreed by the chain's consensus? The decisions that blockchain-connected systems take is based on data which may be served by actors that act against your best interest. So reading and writing to blockchain shouldn't be centralized or managed, but rather in a decentralized manner in which every node, for mining, staking, or non-mining staking, should be incentivized to help the access to blockchain in a trusted and decentralized way. Moreover, the fragmentation of RPC services and various powerful SDKs and the centralized infrastructure that offer these functionalities makes the RPC usage painful. So a Web3 user is stuck with the decision of choosing either a decentralized player or poor functionalities from their RPC provider. So one may say that the most simple method to connect dApps to the blockchain is to spin off a local node and use that as an entry point. In practice, ramping up a node is difficult and often requires constant tweaking and maintenance, which has a high impact because it distracts innovators and building the actual value-added systems or raises the costs associated with extra effort. So the non-mining nodes have no reason or incentive to share their data for general purposes, accessing JSON RPC interfaces or peer-to-peer syncing. So we think that every node should be a part of the Omnia infrastructure and rewarded accordingly for the services that they provide. So this is where Omnia comes in. It says also mining staking nodes can earn extra revenue beyond block stake rewards by coupling to Omnia infrastructure in the same way as a non-mining entity would. So Omnia infrastructure consists of blockchain nodes and a multi-decentralized layer that acts as a decentralized API gateway for accessing the blockchain. And these roles are not mutually exclusive. However, if the entity is both a relayer and the node owner, then any request to the specific relayer may be routed to another node or preserved security in the infrastructure layer. So how does it work? Node owners can register their nodes through a simple-to-use web interface provided by Omnia. Consequently, these nodes are indexed by the relayers who leverage security controls. Now, you can read way more about this on their technical white paper, whitepaper.omniatech.io, but in a nutshell, that's what this project is all about here. Now, if you are looking for the contract address, they are on Etherscan. This is an ERC20 token. Max total supply, 100 million tokens. Ticker symbol is Omnia. Name of the token, Omnia Protocol. 18 decimal places on this token. And they are getting this very big central exchange listing starting October 15th. And starting soon as the Kickstarter event. So you can check that out with a reward pool of 50,000 USDT and airdrops available. Check it all out on Mexc Global. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.